Welcome back to Tony West DIY. My name is West, and I apologize that I haven't uploaded a lot of videos lately, but I've been busy with everything that is happening around the world. If you have seen the latest videos, you will know that the RSX hasn't behaving the way it should. She's not liking the 80 miles daily, so I needed to come up with a solution. My wife and I have been missing the Lincoln Navigator that we had back in the day. We move a lot, so every time that our family come to visit us, we ended up renting a minivan or a big SUV in order to fit everybody in just one vehicle. Having a third row vehicle helps a lot, so we were thinking about getting an SUV again. So we were looking around and doing some research, and we were paying attention to the mid SUVs, and the top two for us were the Honda Pilot and the Toyota Highlander. We ended up with Toyota Highlander, and I'll explain you why in a bit. And before we start, I want to thank each one of you guys that have subscribed. If you want to support me, press the like button, comment or share the video. And if you're new to the channel and this video helped you a lot to decide which SUV you want, please subscribe to the channel, press the bell button so you won't miss any of my videos. And without further ado, let's jump on it. Today, I'm going to tell you what I think, everything you need to know about the new redesigned 2020 Toyota Highlander. This model specifically is the XLE all-wheel drive, but you have different models to pick from L, LE, this one, the premium, and the hybrid option. I'm going to break it down into 3 categories to try to make it simple and not overwhelm you with a lot of information. First, I'm going to tell you about the engine transmission specs. This beauty comes with a 6-cylinder 3.5 liters V6 with 295 horsepower paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. The fuel economy is around 27 miles per gallon, and it comes with a warranty. The limited warranty covers 3 years or 36,000 miles, and it also comes with the Toyota Care, which is a complimentary maintenance plan. So basically you don't have to worry for 2 years on maintenance. You want to change the oil, you just go to the dealer, Toyota dealer, it doesn't matter which one, and every 6 months or every 5,000 miles, whichever comes first, and they will take care of everything. Second, we're going to move to the exterior. Toyota made a lot of changes from 2019 to 2020, specifically speaking the body style. I like the design of the front end, specifically speaking the grille in combination with the long headlights as well as the tail lights. It just, my opinion, has that luxury type-ish that the Lexus has, the Lexus RX, without spending the Lexus price. Something that I really pay attention as soon as I got to the dealer was the curve that has the door and the fender. It kind of looks like how the Supra looks.
Right.
Just for me, it's not that common SUV boxy type style. This specific model came with 18 inches wheels wrapped with Bridgestone tires. These ones specifically are 235, 65, 18. The premium comes with 20 inches wheel, and it gives you a low profile tire, but this one at least make me feel more calm because I know that the wheels are gonna last more. Don't tell my wife that I said that. And let's move to the third category, which is the interiors. This was the reason of why we ended up with this SUV versus the Honda Pilot. The reason why we picked the Honda Pilot versus, for example, the CX-9 or other mid SUVs was because that one has the more space in the third row. However, mid SUVs, third row seat is for kids, period. By the way, the CX-9 on the third row, there's barely space. At the same time, the space that you don't have on this one on the third row, you have it in the cargo. So the cargo on this one is a little bit bigger than the Honda Pilot. There's enough room to have 3 adults. There's another option that you can get, is a captain chair, and again you can adjust the seats so you can have more room if you don't have the kids in the back. And the biggest reason of why we picked this one was the interiors, specifically speaking the dash. When I was doing research to give you the facts and the right information to make this video, some of the comments that I saw was the dash was too overwhelming or too busy. For me, my opinion, the dash nailed it. Like, Toyota nailed it with this one. Honda Pilot, the dash was a little bit more basic, I should say, or let's say it has a lot more plastic. My wife fell in love when she opened that door and saw the stitches, the leather in the dash, all the extra features, navigation system, how the screen is located with the control panel, all the safety features. It also had the sunroof, which is just extra, but it definitely looks good. Let me show you what I'm talking about specifically. The screen you can set up the way you want it. This model comes with the integrated navigation system as well. You can either type your address, or if you're driving, it doesn't let you type it, so you can just say it and it will take you wherever you want. In the screen also, if I put reverse, you will have your backup camera. Below the screen you have the AC control unit, and the driver and passenger can have their own settings. Below you have more room to put the phone or wallet. If you put your phone and you want to install the Android Play, you have to put it with the cable. So it gives you that space. You can put the USB there for the phone and then set the phone there. You have another way to charge the phone as well. You go to the center console, you can set your phone there and it will charge the phone as well. And below the charger you have more room to store more stuff. The Toyota Highlander comes with different drive modes. You have Norm, Eco, Sport. On the second screen you can set up the way you want it as well. One of the screen will tell you the fuel economy, seat belt status, and it has a pretty nice feature. When you turn off the car, it will tell you to check the rear seats. That is helpful if you have a sleeping baby in the rear. Moving on, if you go down, it will show you the driving support tab. That's basically what it is. If you are touching the lines, the steering wheel, it will adjust and will take you back on the center of the road. It's pretty nice. I set up the cruise control, and this button right here, when you have turn on, it will adjust the speed if you have a car in front of you. And if you have both enabled while the cruise control is on, the SUV literally will drive by itself. I mean, it will yell at you on the screen. It will tell you put both hands on the steering wheel. Next step is the sound system. If you have the radio on or your phone connected, all-wheel drive option. You move right, they have the pre-collision system, blind spot monitor, which is pretty neat. Tire pressure as well, and then the different safety features that I was talking about. Again, I love how the dash look on this SUV. It's really impressive. We're really enjoying the SUV. The driving is on point, it's comfortable. We have more space than the Civic that I still have. Now that's my daily. But I really like how the transmission shift, how smooth it feels, quiet, and we have more room without compromising the miles per gallon. I hope you guys like the video. I tried to make it simple and just go straight to the point. Right now, I'm on the way to the dealer to get the plates because they contact me and they're ready. By the way, if you're in Maryland, in Frederick specifically, you can go to Toyota of Frederick and reach Parrish or Michael. Tell them that Wes sent you and they will square you away. Again, if I help you to decide which SUV you prefer. Press the like button, comment below, and subscribe. When you subscribe, press the bell button so you won't miss any of my videos. If you watch until now, I appreciate you. If you like this type of video, let me know with a thumbs up or comment below. Like always, if you have any question, you can contact me by Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter at TonyWestDIY, or by email at TonyWestDIY@gmail.com. Thank you for your support, and until the next one.